Hi YouTube, Bobby from Buff here. I am working on my Infinity War Groot costume, and I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do the fans for this helmet. Here's the helmet. I'm planning to make a tutorial on exactly how I built this helmet from scratch. There's some looks at it. But anyway, so the top of it here, you see I have two fans installed. This is the Anivision 40 millimeter. I went to Amazon Prime, I typed in USB 40 millimeter fan, and this is one of the things that came up. So it's Anivision and it's 40 millimeters, 40 by 40 millimeters. They're square. It's a 2-pack. I think it was like 16 bucks or something, or 12 bucks for two of them, something like that. So try to hold that up where you can see. I use brass fasteners to go through the corners here. So those go through this piece and through the top, what's going to be the top of the head of the mask. And so that's how those are connected. They're these type of fasteners right here. So they look like that. They're like for paper, you know, or for binding a bunch of papers together. So anyway, so I just want to give you an idea of my plan here. I don't know if you can see over here, I've got, try to set this up where you can kind of see it. This is the Hot Toys 1/6 scale figure, collectible figure of Groot on my screen here, of Teen Groot from Infinity War. And you can see the top of the head sort of spirals from the edges and goes in. I'm going to have to hide these fans, so I won't be able to make it exactly the same, but my plan is to get it as close as I can. So with that sort of in mind, I have these battery packs. They're from the store Five Below. They're $5 each. I don't know exactly how many millihertz these are. I think they might be like 2,000 milliamps. I mean, something like that. 2,000 milliamps. I think. I'm not even sure. It might be 2,200. I don't know. But I just want to show you how it sounds when I connect this to the level of noise from the fan running off the battery. This is how I run my fans for my Stormtrooper as well as for my other Groot costume. So this is the best setup I've done though so far. This is the cleanest, best setup. So there's one. That one is sucking air in, but this is the front of the mask on this side. So it's sucking air in and blowing it across the lenses on the inside of the helmet. This fan is an exhaust fan, and it's going to push air out from the inside out. I can thank Andrew McCarthy from the Superhero Alliance for that tip. That was his idea. It's pushing quite a bit of air. I want you to hear, if you can, the sound. It does make a bit of noise, but I'm willing to deal with that in order to be able to see and to be cool and comfortable in this costume. So, okay, more on Infinity War Groot coming. I just wanted to give you an update on the thing that I was waiting for, which was the fans. And here they are, they're installed. So, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm still unable to monetize my channel because I don't have enough subscribers, even though I have, I don't know, 50,000 views, probably somewhere in that neighborhood. I don't have enough subscribers, so I can't get a paycheck from Google AdSense. So please subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.